Are you considering wooden garage doors for your home but unsure about the cost? In this video, we'll break down the factors that determine the price of wooden garage doors. First, the type of wood plays a huge role in the cost. Cedar, redwood and mahogany are popular choices, with cedar being more affordable, while mahogany tends to be on the pricier side. Each type of wood offers a different balance of durability and aesthetic appeal. Next, consider the size of your garage door. Larger doors or custom designs will naturally increase the price. Adding insulation for better energy efficiency will also raise the cost, but it's a smart investment for long-term savings. The cost of installation and maintenance should also be part of your budget. Wooden garage doors require regular upkeep to maintain their beauty and weather resistance, so factor in periodic maintenance costs for things like sealing and seining. Lastly, custom wooden garage doors offer unique designs tailored to your home, but they come at a premium. Whether you want an affordable option or a high-end, custom look, the price of wooden garage doors can range based on your preferences and needs.